Ever wonder, is it too late to transfer money with Capital One? Have you ever stared at your bank account on a Friday afternoon, realizing a bill is due on Monday and the money for it is chilling out in a different account? Let's face it, adulting can be stressful, and managing multiple accounts is no exception. Thankfully, Capital One offers a convenient online transfer system to move your money around. But with the clock ticking, a crucial question arises: when exactly do Capital One transfers go through? Fear not, fellow money managers. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Capital One transfers, dissecting the nitty-gritty of timing and ensuring you never miss a beat. Let's break it down. Capital One offers two main transfer options. Electronic transfers between your Capital One accounts. This is where things get simple. These transfers are instant. No waiting, no delays, just a swift transfer between your Capital One checking, savings, or any other linked accounts you might have. Transfers from external banks to your Capital One account, the world of interbank transfers. Here's where timing becomes a bit more crucial. Capital One uses a cutoff time of 5 p.m. Eastern Time, ET, to process incoming transfers from other banks. What does this mean for you? Initiate the transfer before 5 p.m. Eastern Time on a business day, and the funds will be deposited into your Capital One account that same business day. Boom! Crisis averted. Missed the 5 p.m. Eastern Time deadline? No worries. The transfer will still be initiated, but the funds will show up in your Capital One account the following business day. Here's a quick recap for the visual learners out there. Capital One to Capital One transfers, instant. External bank to Capital One transfer. Before 5 p.m. Eastern Time on a business day, funds deposited same day. After 5 p.m. Eastern Time on a business day, funds deposited next business day. Remember, business days are weekdays excluding federal holidays. So, if you're planning a transfer on a Friday after 5 p.m. Eastern Time, you'll need to factor in the weekend and wait for the following Tuesday for the funds to appear. Pro tip: schedule your transfers in advance. Knowing the cutoff time allows you to plan your transfers strategically. Set up recurring transfers or schedule them a day early for peace of mind. But wait, there's more. Capital One also offers wire transfers, which are a super fast way to move large sums of money. However, wire transfers come with additional fees and have their own cutoff times. Since wire transfers are a whole different ballgame, we'll dedicate a future video to exploring their specifics. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, stay on top of those transfer deadlines.